Hey everyone, I was at the San Francisco International Airport and I just saw these cool plane models and I thought I would show you. So this is a short video, but I hope you enjoy it. So here's these models, and it says Master Model Builder Edward Chavez made these. Now these are all handmade, which is unbelievable. They're not made out of a kit. They are handmade. Got the Goodyear blimp, little biplane there. Pretty neat. And this one says it's a 1932 Northrop Gamma 2A Sky Chief. It's got 720 horsepower and it'll fly 215 miles an hour. I like that one. That's a pretty cool looking model there. And just think of that being handmade. How much time went into that. Pretty amazing. This one here, a Douglas World Cruiser, Chicago 1924. 420 horsepower, cruising speed of 75 miles an hour. It's also a cool one. Looks like you can land it on the water. I like that. Very neat. This one is one of my favorite. This one's called the 1933 Curtiss Condor AT-32B. And apparently only 3 of these were ever made in real life. 720 horsepower. That's a pretty neat looking plane there. Again, handmade. Amazing. This one says it's a Lockheed Model 8 Sirius. And don't ask me to pronounce the other part of it. I won't even try. It's Japanese, looks like. Beautiful plane, though. Very neat looking. Got the pontoons there. This one's called a Curtiss JN4 Jenny. And it had improved stick control over the previous models. Beautiful handmade model too. They literally look like they could fly. Gorgeous. And then this is the Fokker T2. This made the first transcontinental flight in 1923 from Long Island, New York, and landed in San Diego, and it took 26 hours and 50 minutes to complete the non-stop transcontinental flight in 1923. That's a pretty significant plane there. Look at the detail, the hand, the wood, it's just amazing. And this is about the artist here, Edward Chavez. 1961 to 1988, he built 27 models for the Nut Tree restaurant in Vacaville. And they were on display there for a long time. The artist passed away in 2004.